Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Be sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. In today's video, I will be making a quick and easy French toast recipe. Let's get right into the video. In a clean container, combine egg, milk, cinnamon powder, vanilla, salt, and sugar. You can also put any other ingredients of your choice. After mixing, transfer to another container to fit the bread. You can use any bread of your choice and feel free to remove the sides from the bread. Now add butter to your frying pan and leave it on low flame. After coating, put the bread slices in the frying pan and continue to flip them until they are done. Thank you guys so much for watching. This is the end of the video. I will see you in the next video. Until next time, bye!